Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt dressing. Start by choosing plain yogurt as your base. I like Greek yogurt for creaminess, but regular yogurt works for a lighter dressing. Whisk in lemon juice, olive oil, and a pinch of salt, then add minced garlic and fresh herbs. Taste and adjust with honey or mustard if needed, then chill briefly so flavors meld before serving on salads or choose herbs and spices based on the dish you plan to pair with the dressing. For a Mediterranean twist, add oregano, lemon zest, and a splash of red wine vinegar. For a creamy ranch style, include dill, chives, and a touch of buttermilk or milk to thin. For a spicy kick, add cayenne or hot sauce sparingly. Taste and adjust acidity, salt, and sweetness until balanced. To fix a thin dressing, strain yogurt overnight or use less liquid. If too thick, stir in a splash of water, milk, or lemon juice until desired consistency. Keep dressing bright by adding fresh herbs just before serving. Store in an airtight container for up to 5 days, and always smell and taste before using. Label the container with date to track freshness easily.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.